Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again in WTC. I'll just check something. I think I need to buy something. Yeah. And I'll drop the empty bottle in the machine, sparkle machine also. Yeah, I'm sleepy, but I need to do something before I'm planning to go walking beside the seaside later before night time. I wanna see I miss to see the sunset in the afternoon before night time. So I'm planning to go to the Cornish beach beside the seaside. See